Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at what to do if you've just had a breakup or a divorce. The initial thing really is to allow yourself to grieve. It is much better to cry and let out the pent-up emotion so that you can begin to see a bit more clearly. But as I always advise my clients, you cannot stay weeping forever. So if you need help getting over your pain from this breakup or divorce, the first thing would be to accept that this has happened and there is no going back. But it takes a while to get to this point. And that is where I will come in, helping you to understand what's happened, to go through the various steps of grieving, and then we'll see what stage you're at the moment, and we can take it from there. So if you need help, why not contact me? Go to my website, www.drgraceanderson.com, and book a free discovery session with me. Let's get you started on your journey to full recovery. Thank you.